Many friends want to see middle-sized 3-drum dryer. Today I'm here to show you. This is a 3-drum dryer with 2.8 meter diameter and 6 meter length. It will be used to dry silica sand. The capacity is 30 to 35 tons per hour. It adopts ZG45 roller ring with 150 mm thickness. This kind of 3-drum dryer is regarded as a very durable drum dryer by which customer can gain profit with less investment and shorter time. The 3-drum dryer is equipped with 4 11 kW motors and a heavy-duty gearbox. For the support wheel, weighted bearing base and integrated frame makes installation work of 3-drum dryer more adaptable and more convenient. Dryer drum adopts manganese steel plate. Thickness of inner drum and middle drum is 12 mm. Outer drum is 16 mm thickness. L-shaped lifting plates make lifting surface wider and thermal efficiency higher. Feeding part adopts stainless steel texture, more durable and more heat resistant.